Alright, today's March 24th, 2012, here at Lincoln College of Technology, Denver, Colorado. We're having our car show. I'm going to do a little show here. Alright, take a little walk around. Joe McDade of the Clan of McDade. I bet you remember this Camaro. Look familiar? You had something like it, I think, back in the old days. Walking through here. Well, Zach, now that you wandered into my video, you and Bud will both be posted on YouTube. Sorry, that's the rules of wandering onto my videotape. Sorry, I'm going to look at good-looking cars now. No problem. Don't worry about it.
Did you read the back
Once again, today, March 24th, 2012, Lincoln College of Technology, Denver, Colorado, having our car show today. And we've got some beauties. Rambler. Alright. I like the Rambler because I'm a rambling man myself. Check this out. It's okay, go ahead.
Only in the auto shop? There's none in the body shop?
There's some in there.
In the body shop? Oh.
Yeah, and there's some out front too.
Yeah, I'm parking those. Some park those.
Cool. Well, I'm in the middle of videoing right now.
I know, I saw that.
Thanks. So, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Alright, that's what happens. You try to do a video and no one wants to talk to you all day until you turn the video on. Then they want to talk to you. That's sweet. dyno. Got a GTO on it. Hey, how's it going, man? All right. I think that's my favorite right there. I've always liked the Mustang. Tim? Good, how you doing? Doing great. I actually get paid for this. Once again, today, March 24th, 2012, Lincoln College of Technology, and I actually get to be Director of Education at this place. We have over 150 classic cars today. Absolutely beautiful. Just love it.
That's pretty bad when you're already short and got a bit down.
You know, you're right. Good point. And you're on my video now, so that's your punishment. Okay, what do we got here? That is a sweet machine right there. Oh man, it's a fun day. It's actually so many cars here, we've just kind of scratched the surface. This is a cool custom design right here. That looks like a lot of fun. I think we all had a wagon like this when we were a little kid, and that looks like that would just be too much fun. You know, that's the fun thing about out here in Colorado. It's just a different culture. My friends there in Southern California, it's a lot different out here. A lot of outdoor activities and things like that. But off-roading is really big out here because of the mountains and, of course, all that, and the snow. Oh, another Mustang. Wow. Beautiful. Excuse me. Beautiful stuff here. Beautiful. Probably want to see me again. Alright, here's a panoramic view of the auto show. Don't get dizzy. Hey, it's like Saturday Night Live. I mean, Saturday Night Fever in the spinning shot. Okay, Is he yet? All right. All right, coming back into the collision area now. One of our state-of-the-art Hunter lifts. I'm told there's only 20 of these in existence. I believe this is the Blue Angel Corvette. That is sweet. Nice. All right, we're gonna head outside now. Yes. You go through those doors right there and then go all the way to the end and you can find a whole bunch of them out there. All righty. This facility is 212,000 square feet. We have 5 skilled trades: welding, collision, HVAC, auto, and diesel. Here is our front area. This is our lobby, reception area. Coming by. Hello folks, how's everything? You doing good?
Yes.
Jen did like the most awesome job ever. She's on video right now. And she did 90% of this,
Awesome car show.
and it is awesome. This will be on YouTube later.
Yay.
So anyway, thank you ladies. All right, we got the automotive, collision repair, diesel and truck, heating, cooling, and welding. All right, we had so many cars today, more than expected. We actually ended up having some overflow space out here. So let's go outside. Want the sunglasses? All right, nice. Do-do.
Yeah, I bet that.
Now, for those of my friends that always say, hey, watch out for the snow and everything, today is March 24th, 2012. Not a cloud in the sky. It's about 75, 80 degrees. In fact, today reminds me of California weather. And actually, we've had less than 12 days of snow all season. So I'm not really regretting moving to Colorado. A couple days of snow and a whole lot less taxes. Awesome. A Challenger. See some cool stuff. '55 Chevy, I believe.
They came last year.
Alright. We got the sun kind of at a bad angle here. I'm going to flip it around the other side. Once again, yeah, it feels like about 80 degrees today.
Bam, so you can shoot out of there without.
Little overview of Colorado. Beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Hard to believe it is March 24th, 2012. Like I said, we had hardly any snow. When I first moved out here a year ago, I thought I was going to have snow every day for 6 months. It's just not the fact. Beautiful day in Colorado. Go ahead, you're good.
Thank you.
Amazing Machines. I only have 15 minutes available on YouTube, so hopefully I'll get this all in before I hit my timeline. Another Mustang. Beautiful.
This car they've been working on all week in class.
We have Zach and Bud over here, back making it on the video again. Yes, welcome, gentlemen.
Well, you know, you put your bright spots on film.
This should get us a million hits right here.
That's right.
Not a problem. Nice. My lens is cracked. Okay, here's where I work. Lincoln College of Technology, Denver, Colorado. Not a bad gig. I'm gonna try to wrap this up here because I'm running out of time. Make sure I don't go over my 15 minutes. Stuff here.
So we're gonna go.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Never seen one of those photos. You know, I've seen pictures, seen black and white photos.
Beautiful.
Okay. Yeah, you know, you might be able to buy a kit for it, I would think, online. But that
Kind of makes me wish I became a mechanic, but we all know I have no talent. I can't put anything together. I once made my girlfriend build a shelf for me because I couldn't put it together. You know who you are. You'll see this. Anyway. Cadillac. Alright, we got a couple semis here.
And he's going to kill us.